Hello guys, I'm George Gamer
And I am George Gamer.
and we're back to play Among the Sleep Part 3.
Let's start.
Let's start the horror game
Yeah.
that we always play.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. So we're back at the kitchen. The kitchen!
Of course.
Let's close the doors.
The fucking kitchen. Yeah.
Let's close the doors.
Nice.
It's not. What?
Open the door.
Okay, let's go. You remember that? You remember that sound?
Of
very
course.
Badass guy. Let's use the chair to open the door.
Yeah.
I remember that.
The baby's so short.
Yeah. Oh my god!
My mom's no. Rob.
So, I cannot.
What the? Wait.
The rain is coming out of the fucking door. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Nice shoes. I will take one. Take it. Take it, fucking idiot!
He cannot take it. It's
It's a game.
no. It's the 3 years old.
What is that?
Oh, Jamie!
Jamie!
Wow!
Our Jamie, where are you
Okay,
going?
well, guys,
This is Jamie.
yeah.
Guys, this is Jamie. I hope you like it. What's the symbol? Go, Jamie. What is it? Shit. Nothing? Jamie! Ah, fuck! Jamie.
What is that?
Jamie. Oh,
Nice room.
like Jamie Oliver. Yeah. Okay.
Well,
Let's put Jamie
in here.
Come on! Jamie! Come
Fuck
on!
off, Jamie. Do it. Go in. Close that.
Okay. One shoe. Oh, it's for me!
Of course, it's for you.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Mom?
Mom.
My mom! Ah, fuck.
Faster, man. Open that.
Open that. And open the door.
Yeah. The baby is so short and he cannot open the door.
She cannot. It's a girl.
Of course. The mom.
Mom.
Of course. Of course. It's a horror game. Not a simple game.
What?
Oh. Let's. What we can do
Okay,
now.
we're gonna hide.
Yeah.
Let's play hide and seek.
Hmm.
Oh, who are you?
With who?
Who are you? With the demon.
Or ghost. It's very good.
Who are you?
Okay. And let's go in the door.
Who are you? Take it, demon! Take it, demon. Not me, please. Black eyes. Let's take it.
Very important, I think so.
I think that's John. I will call him
Yeah,
John.
the John
John.
is
Yeah.
the John. Yeah.
I think John.
What is that?
Wait. John. A shoe.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go to the door.
What's that? Ah. Okay, let's go, let's go.
Again! Here!
Yeah. We are back in the kitchen.
We're back in the kitchen. Oh my god. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Oh, holy shit. What the heck?
What? Okay, okay.
Let's take the apple. Let's take the apple. Oh my god, let's take the apple.
It's tomato.
It's scary.
That sound.
It's creepy.
Yeah, fucking creepy
My
sound.
first jump scare, guys.
Yeah.
Who's singing?
Singing. Think so, the mom singing.
Yeah, mom.
But with who? How you know where we are? Holy. Oh,
What? What? What the fuck?
What is that? Look. Look here. What?
Okay, let's take
So mysterious house, huh?
Yeah.
Well, let's go.
What?
Shit. What the fuck?
We're back in the 80s.
Yeah.
We're back in the 80s, guys.
Who is this? The mom.
Mom! It's mom. It's mom.
Whoa.
Mom?
Can you see your reflection?
Reflection. What the fuck?
Whoa. It's memory. What? Whoa. What? He go away.
Go away.
Take control, man.
Talk to him.
Oh. What? We take that
Oh,
from
I have Teddy.
Oh yeah.
I forgot.
Teddy.
I forgot.
Yeah. Hi Teddy.
You go first, Teddy.
Yeah, of course he go first.
the
He's
fuck
a,
is that?
it's a demon.
Mysterious house.
Yeah. Of course.
What? Jump into.
Oh, loading.
Are you alright?
Okay. What is that place? Oh, the Teddy.
Teddy.
Hey, Teddy.
Good night. Nice.
What is that place? Haha.
It's hey,
Very nice landing.
it's
Fucking freaking and creepy.
let's
Take the Teddy up here, and he unlocked the door for us.
yeah.
Nice.
Look at this place.
Whoa.
What the fuck is that place?
Nice room.
Nice kitchen.
Yeah.
This
I hate kitchens.
Of course.
sounds like it's coming from behind this door.
Yeah.
What the doors have?
Open it.
Oh, what's that? A barrel.
Seems like
Body.
these
The
are
Teddy heads.
somehow.
Yeah. What we taking here? Go, Teddy.
Go.
Die for us, man.
Maybe
Go.
some sort of key.
Key. We have key.
Tab.
Ah, this is key.
This is a key. Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What?
Okay.
Let's close the door.
And
Let's
let's.
do that.
Yeah.
Oh. What the fuck is that sound?
What happened? Why didn't it open?
What's that? What?
Let's find a way to open it.
The memory.
What?
What's that?
What is that?
Hand. The button.
Yeah.
Button.
Press that. Press
Not
that.
small, but it looks like my paws might fit.
Teddy.
Press that, Teddy.
Teddy.
Come on, Teddy. Press that. Let's go away from here.
Shit. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, shit.
Seems like the memory you shared. Unlock the door.
I have memory.
Good job,
I
Teddy.
have fucking memory. A baby have fucking memory.
This, gosh, might bring us to her.
He's 3 years
Looks
ago.
like we need 3 more.
He's 3 years old. And he have memories.
Yeah.
In your dream.
It scares me. But don't worry. I'll do my best to keep you safe. Pick me up whenever you're ready to go.
Let's go to loading.
Okay.
Sorry for the stuck, but this is the game.
What?
Where are we?
Press F, please.
Ah, yeah.
Okay.
I forgot it.
Yeah. Oh, come on.
Well, this doesn't look too bad. I hope no one is close by.
Okay.
Okay, what is that place? Oh. What is that?
Let's pick it.
Let's take that. Okay. Oh,
Oh my god!
is a hole.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Oh, come on. Where we fucking go now?
Whoa,
Oh,
over there. It looks like another memory across that
shut
bridge.
up, Teddy.
Oh, shit.
Nice castle
Yeah.
in the ice. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
The baby have nice
Is there a
body.
way up this tower?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
we are. Where?
Think
Yes.
there.
Oh.
And
What
then
we do now?
climb down to this. Oh, I think this. Make it here.
Mm-hmm.
Make it here. Wait.
Oh, whoa.
What the
whoa,
fuck?
whoa. Oh, whoa. Let's take that. Oh, shit.
I do not close the door.
Yeah.
Uh,
Who closed that?
what's going on? What the fuck's going on?
Fucking creepy game. I'm scared now.
Oh, I'm scared now.
Yeah, and me.
What?
Oh. What?
You should be careful.
The door is opened. Okay.
Okay. Where we go now?
Can I? Nope, I can't. What? No. We can jump. No.
Of course not.
we can. What's that? Okay, guys, this was part 4. I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah.
If you like it, subscribe, comment, and like. See you in the next video, guys.
Bye.
Bye, bye, guys. See you next time. Peace.